I love you guys. You guys are amazing. Look at them, honey. Look at them. Tell me I don't got birds that follow me. Look at them. I can't see hardly, but there's flocks of them. Oh. Hang on. I love you guys. Look at this. They're all around me. I'm going to have to get you know that means I'm going to win, don't it? Check them out. I love you guys. This is amazing. They've been just circling me. There's a whole lot of them. Never seen anything like this in my life. Never in my life have I seen anything like this. Oh my God. Oh wow. Oh, I love you guys. I got a big spirit team. I have a big spirit team. Wow. Oh wow. I never knew how big it was. I love you guys. Oh my God. The people seeing this? Oh wow. I'm gonna win a bunch of money. Oh my God. But they're talking to me, they could also be telling me something I already know. I think they are. They're telling me something I already know. Probably. They like to tell me things, they don't know that. Is it that bad, guys? I go in. Look out, this is just amazing. Oh my God. They're just keep coming. They're coming from down there. They're all coming in too. This is weird. They're not gonna stop coming. It's weird. Where's your parents? Where's my big guy? Oh my God, that's so many. There's just no way. There's no way. What do you think is going to outside the window? Oh my goodness. Wow, those are not just, those are birds flying from way out there. There's millions coming.